My name is Shirley Bailey, and I own a company called For the Love of Cats. Very simply, I babysit cats while their owners are away. If you're passionate about cats, you need to be in your own cat-sitting business. Comes Ben. Whoa, it's got the wowie. I'm glad you joined me today to learn what my seminars are all about. If you thought about changing your career and getting into your own business, you couldn't be involved in anything better than working with cats. I've been in business for over 30 years, and I can tell you that this is the very best business I've ever been in. Come with me and I'll show you why I love it. It's me that gets the exercise, right? You silly ass! You're just a silly... Take a look at my video on my website. It'll give you a lot of information about my company and why I do what I love. I'm glad you joined me today to learn what my seminars are all about.